You see, phone, my wife have a way for it. She broke every password. She's smart like that. Any password I said, she find it, she check it, she change it, she see everything. I couldn't even be in that piece, confused. I went to me a bed, she searched the phone. I may have to turn on the pipe sometimes, put on my foot on the pipe. Like me a bed and I peep outside on the bed because the bathroom and the bedroom have a peep outside and hear that house and go on and peep and she out there so I can't carry the phone in the bathroom. Because if I carry the phone in the bathroom, I'll say, oh, so phone in bed now. So I leave it outside, people, trust me. Because until I get a fingerprint phone, where she cannot change the password. And I said, glory! People, woman are smarter than man. All the smart women in copy themselves right now. Because people will think some have a partner, not realizing that at night time, when we are asleep, she take me. And to see everything, but you see now people, like I have beat myself now, and I have been in the bathroom, my phone, I ring outside. Hear me now, honey, can you answer that for me, please?
Hey, I'm going to tell you something, man.
Yes.
You say, that's our problem.
Yes.
We do itchy and chichi.
Yeah, man.
Woman, not in them things.
You have to start the truth.
Woman, just start the truth.
Make I know how you feel.
Straight up, a woman with a right answer.
Yes.
And phone ring.
Yes.
Sister, 3 little words.
3 words?
Yes.
What you say?
Yes.
What you say?
All right.
What you say?
She said, yes.
What you say?
Yes.
What you say?
All right.
And the man, the bottom next side, don't know what one.
I tell you.
If only he could hear the other side of the conversation.
That's right. So hold on. Shaggy like how you're married. Listen for the words, yeah? All right, that's up.
Oh, yes, here in Matalan. Chris, Darren, listen for this.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes. All right.
This is Evan listening now.
So we're going to play a talk show then.
Yeah?
I'm going to be the lady. Yeah.
Yo, your man did it?
Yes.
In the other side of you?
Yes.
He call it tomorrow.
All right.
Oh man, smarter.
That's it.
The only thing I vex with the woman for, want to make the singer them a trick or no?
A trick or no?
I sing some song.
Yes.
Where when you listen to the lyrics,
it's not a love song.
I lie them a tell.
Lie them a tell.
Lie.
Come on, I'm look what you tell about. Every step you take, every move you make, every step you take, every vow you break, I'll be watching you.
As a stalker.
I'm gonna stalk you, man.
Call the police.
Call the police, man.
You understand me?
Yeah.
And the one, you know Barrister, man? That's why I saw this stop booking pan in annual show, in my annual show. Because Barrister man doing live. When I sing, should I stand in the middle of the road? Let something run over me. Hey, so that I can get beautiful. My personal know Barrister free that car. Barrister now go out on no road. Lie my tell. And the foreign singer talk about all of me loves all.
I love the part of
your curves and all your edges. That part is alright.
Love the part.
Till them tell the big lie. My head underwater and I'm breathing fine. That's not possible.
No.
Unless that's not possible.
So big up Shubana.
And the mountain stood.
Yes.
Honey, you are my shining star. Don't you go away. Wanna be right there where you are till my dying day. And then said, honey, I'll never leave you lonely. Alright. And it was quiet now. Giving my love to you only. Any man in us right now, when I give him love to him woman only, stand up. Stand up.
I said, the one that will stand up on the through them there with them lady them stand up.
One time, you look up at the center. You see the bird in that blue shirt. You see man just a double. I mean, see man. Man, get up fast. No.
But that trick's not shagging over big important people in the world.
Yeah.
When I stand up on something, it's like here. Like him and look at him, so nobody will know him.
No, man. And when the wife look on you, it wasn't me. No, tell me, you see, woman, you don't understand me, you know.
Yes.
And sometimes, cat my head.
Yeah, tell them because let me tell you something. Sometimes when others will come in at some late time of man and then I make nice.
Yeah.
We're not for work with me. Sometimes we down at the shop, the bar, the corner, I play some domino, I know it's there already. If we get a 6 look, we not leave till we drop back at 6. I want to realize the time I run out.
That's true.
So when they look on there, they watch us a bird key that's so late, and you go for your and bend up your face. Because I have a girl like that should there right now.
You do it?
You must do it.
You want to do it in front of everybody?
More do it in front of everybody. Should they some of us want make them know straight up because people always say, why can't I hear girl there? I'm not going to over that. Because I have a woman problem. 18 years, we can't even keep a girl for 18 months. You see me, so let me try.
You talk to her.
Let me make the people know because I saw this them like chat my business. This is people because
drop the chat, cause we can't sing but can't have a talk.
you see that right inside here right now.
See how the red here?
That's why you're going to be a bit. If you don't love me back now, you will know. I tomorrow you help me with me as God.
See all the things
You see everything
that we've been through.
when me and you go through.
You should understand
You
me
think you understand me?
like I understand you.
You will understand you.
No, baby, I know the difference
Mr. Baby, man, I'm idiot, you know.
between right and
I know the
wrong.
difference between wrong and right.
I ain't gonna do nothing.
I'm not going to do no fool in the next baby.
I'm still happy.
So much of what I'm here.
So don't get so excited
So nobody come back on the nice number.
when I come over there late at
Just
night.
listen to what 4 or 5 o'clock about it.
Those who only act like children.
I got your people star.
Every time you fuss and fight,
You don't know me by now.
doctor, help, know me. Ooh. Eh, 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 eh.
If you don't know,
If you don't know me, if you don't know me, never,
I never.
never.
Everybody gets birthday. I'm telling you, I'm not telling you anything. See,
We all got
but now we have got to be.
our own funny moves.
There's enough time for people that turn up at the scene.
Baby, I got mine.
But how much can you cook and give me the big piece of chicken?
Woman, you got yours too.
But I work with it, though. I work with it.
Just in me,
Because I love you.
like I trust in you.
You want to love me, that baby.
As long as we've been
All
together,
that done here.
should be so easy to
About 18,
do.
20 years.
Oh, so get yourself together.
I'm like, yeah, idiot, man.